Well, hello! I'm Price Anderson, sales representative with Bose & Cox Limited Brokerage in beautiful downtown Peterborough. Welcome to Let's Talk Real Estate for a Minute, Open House Edition. Today, we've got some fabulous open houses lined up for this weekend, hosted by your Bose & Cox team.
All right, this weekend we have 3 gorgeous properties for you to view. We're going to start with 185 McLennan Street in Peterborough, offered at $459,900. This is one you simply have to see. It's so much larger than it appears from the outside. This 3+1 bedroom, 3-bath home shows like new. It's beautifully decorated, high-end finishes throughout with a dream kitchen. Come out and see it Saturday from 1 to 2:30 and Sunday from 1 to 2:30. Next on the list, just north of Peterborough, is 7 Hague Boulevard in Lakefield at $399,900. This is a neat and tidy cottage property and has many delights. It's a prime location in the village of Lakefield, and it's adjacent to the Riverside Walking Trail with gorgeous views of the Otonabee River, and it's on full municipal services. You have to come out and see this Sunday from 1:30 to 3. Moving over to Ennismore, we have 1764 Youngs Cove Road at $320,000. This home/cottage is loaded with charm. It's clean, it's crisp, it's located in Youngs Cove, a beautiful waterfront community on the shores of Buckhorn Lake. With your common access to the lake directly across the road, this home is soaked with natural light. Your kitchen walks out onto a deck with a great sized backyard to relax outdoors. Come on out Sunday from 1 to 3 to see this property.
I hope you'll come out and take a look at some of these properties. I'll leave links to the property descriptions and maps in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. Bye now.